Hi, second grade friends. We're going to get ready to do our syllabication for this week. Make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil, or even a whiteboard and a marker. Here's our first word. Go ahead and write it down on your paper or whiteboard. Okay, we're going to go ahead and find our first two vowels. We see an A and an OR. We're going to draw our bridge. We're going to label our consonants. We're going to draw our syllable wall. Now we need to decide what syllable type this is. We have an A. We see the C is closing the door. We see OR. We know that is a bossy R. We're going to get ready to read the word tractor, tractor. Here's our next word. Go ahead and write that on your piece of paper or on your whiteboard. Okay, we're going to go ahead and find our first two vowels. We see OR as a vowel and A as a vowel. We're going to draw our bridge. We're going to label our consonants. We're going to draw our syllable division wall. Now you might have noticed there's another vowel. We're going to go ahead and mark that last vowel. Draw a new bridge. Label the consonants. Draw our syllable division wall. We're going to look at our different syllable types. So we see OR, we know that's a bossy R. We see A, it does not have anything closing the door, so it is an open syllable. And then we see O, it does not have anything closing the door either, so it also is an open syllable. Now we're going to get ready to read our word. Tornado. Tornado. Great work today.